নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল, আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোক সকলো ভালে আছে। মই আহিছিলোঁ বিশেষ এটা কাৰণত মাজুলীৰ নিমাতী ঘাটলৈ, মানে যোৰহাটৰ নিমাতী ঘাটলৈ। আৰু যোৰহাটৰ নিমাতী ঘাটত এখন হোটেলত একাপ চাহ খাবলৈ লওঁতে মই লগ পালোঁ এজন বিদেশী পৰ্যটকক। তেখেত সুদূৰ বেলজিয়ামৰ পৰা আহিছে। মই তেওঁৰ লগত অকণমান কথা পাতিলোঁ। তেওঁ হোটেলত তেওঁ লাঞ্চ কৰিবৰ সময়তে তেওঁ অকণমান কথাখিনি হোটেল কৰ্তৃপক্ষক বুজাবলৈ অসুবিধা পাইছিল। মই হোটেল কৰ্তৃপক্ষৰ লগতো কথা পাতি অলপ মধ্যস্থতা কৰি দিলোঁ। আৰু মই অলপ তেওঁৰ লগত কথা পাতিম, তেওঁৰ অসমৰ প্ৰতি থকা তেওঁৰ ধাৰণা আৰু কেনেকুৱা অভিজ্ঞতা অকণমান সৰু এটা ফুটেজ ল'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ। চ' ৱেলকাম টু আছাম ফাৰ্ষ্ট।
Thank you.
So when did you came and how did you came?
We come from Calcutta
Okay.
first, and then we went to Darjeeling.
Okay.
And from Darjeeling, we did a hike in the mountains,
Okay.
Singalila Mountains.
Okay.
And then we went to Sikkim.
Okay.
And then we arrived in. We took a train from Siliguri to
Guwahati.
Guwahati.
Siliguri to Guwahati. You took the train.
We took a train.
Okay.
It had a 12-hour delay, so it was.
Okay. You came to Assam through train journey, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how was the location of that Cherrapunji?
Cherrapunji was really nice. Yeah, we saw the root bridges, and we hiked in the valley.
Okay.
We stayed a night in the valley,
Okay.
which I can recommend for everybody. And then we hiked back up to Cherrapunji.
Okay.
And
So-
then we took a train. Then we came back to Guwahati.
Okay.
And now we took the train to Jorhat.
Okay. From Guwahati to Jorhat, you came through train, right?
Train, yeah.
Okay.
Like
yeah.
the morning train.
Yeah, morning
Fast train. I don't know the name of the train. I don't
Okay.
know.
How was the train journey?
Oh,
From
really
Guwahati
nice.
to
I love sitting on the train.
Yeah. How
It's-
do you feel how do you feel the entire environment of Assam, and how do you feel the people of Assam?
People are really friendly, open. I don't know. Yeah, I like it. Lots of tea, good tea.
It's our pleasure. It's
yeah.
our pleasure. It's the pleasure of all of our ethnic community and people
Yeah.
that you are coming to our state and you are visiting our places. So now, where are you going?
Now we're going to Majuli Island.
Majuli Island.
Stay a couple of days there.
Okay. Majuli is entirely. Majuli is the pride of us. Majuli is the pride of Assam.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You will find lots of very beautiful locations in Majuli,
Yeah.
and you will go through that. You are right now in this location. You will
Yeah.
cross the river Brahmaputra.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm looking forward to the ferry ride.
Okay. you will have to go through that ferry.
Okay.
So a bridge is under construction. It will be completed maybe within the upcoming 4 to 5 years. So then after 4 to 5 years, if you will come to Majuli, if you will come to Jorhat, and if you will try to go to Majuli, then you may be able to go to directly through that roadway.
Okay.
Now-
you think it's a good evolution?
Yeah.
It would be good?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's my pleasure that I get a very nice human being from Belgium. You are from Belgium, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm from Belgium.
Yeah.
I'm Jonas from Belgium.
Okay.
Voila.
জাষ্ট 5 মিনিটৰ সময় মানে ব্যৱধানত আমি দুজন বন্ধু হৈছোঁ। বিফৰ জাষ্ট 5 minutes we became friends, right?
Right.
So it was nice to meeting you.
Yeah, nice meeting you too.
And
And you're from Assam?
I'm from Assam,
Okay,
from this
yeah.
district itself.
From Jorhat
from
district.
Jorhat, from
Okay.
Jorhat. So hope we will meet again.
Yes, I hope so too.
Yeah. If God will decide, then we'll meet again. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
Bye.